Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. Welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, where have you been? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. So I don't know about y'all, but I have been slacking big time in the Christmas present department. It's December 8th and I really haven't gotten much. So today I thought, why not go to TJ Maxx, check out what they have. I know they have a lot of gift sets, so I want to check those out. And of course I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So I'm also gonna be doing my most favorite thing in the world, which is public vlogging. I love it so much. I hate it so much. The weather is so nasty outside today. It is a little bit better than last weekend because last weekend it was just darkness. You couldn't see anything. It was just gray, gloomy, horrible, downpouring rain. Today at least, I mean, it is still kind of gray, but it's not downpouring, so I could actually go in and out my car without having a monsoon hit me in the face. All right, I think my car is warmed up enough and I'm ready to go, so let's do this. So the first thing I saw was this Dr. Bronner's soap set. This is perfect for that person that loves to live that chemical-free lifestyle. And then you see these bobble fizzers, not bubble, but bobble fizzers. This table was full of bath bombs and bath stuff. And next is the makeup section. I hope you have time because you're gonna be here for a while. They have so many different selections of eye palettes, contour kits. They have it all. I think my most favorite thing about sets is the amount of product you get for the price point. I mean, you honestly can't beat it. And then the next thing, I thought this was a bag of nails, but it's just nail polish removing wipes. I thought that was really interesting on the design of the bag. And then I saw a bunch of these countdown calendar things that people have already poked their fingers in. And of course, the MAC. This part is definitely for the TJ Maxx high-end makeup lover. So I found this Kat Von D eye palette in 2 different sizes. And of course the Too Faced chocolate bonbon palette. It seriously feels like a treasure hunt every time you go to the makeup section. I love these light up vanity mirrors. This was only $12.99. And in the skincare section, I found this Jade face roller along with some face oil for $12.99. The skincare section of TJ Maxx is my favorite of all time. Look at how fun and festive the packaging of these contour makeup brushes are. They were only $12.99. How fun. And then this end cap was full of Real Technique makeup brushes. Look at the colors. It's like unicorn theme. They were a bunch of different ones, so you can kind of gather them up, put them in a cute little basket, and give it to that makeup lover. And who doesn't love a nice oil diffuser? This would make a beautiful present. It's $29.99, as you can clearly see, and it's hand-blown glass. And I don't know about you, but I'm a sock lover, so if you want to give me some bougie Kate Spade socks, I will not say no. Now the kitchen section, they had some really nice stuff. This hot chili oil would look really nice in the kitchen, obviously. And I'm always drawn towards these like salts and spices. I mean, I really don't like cooking that much, but I'm just still drawn to them. And then this end cap was full of Dirty Works shower and bath items, all the bath bombs your heart desires. And in the middle of the store, there was like 3 tables that had a bunch of Christmas cookies and candies. And this little plastic tree was filled with these marshmallows. They're really cute. Next, we have the beautiful gift baskets. Those huge mugs filled with Ghirardelli chocolates, hot chocolates. I love these kind of baskets because they have so much variety in them. And you didn't have to put too much thought and time into them. Check out these really pretty present tags. I really wanted one of each, but you know, the budget really didn't allow for that. Oh, I loved all of these gift bags and also these gift boxes. I mean, check out the aesthetic. How pretty are they? I found some pretty interesting things towards the men's side. This matte black beer pong set for $7.99. No one really likes Ed Hardy anymore. The party photo booth thing was $5.99. I don't know how it would work, but It looks interesting. Flicks and Chill, you get 2 cups, 2 popcorn buckets. They just had some really interesting and just interesting things in this section. We actually have one of those. That would be perfect for somebody that has a bar. And here you have some bongos for that person that likes to play bongos. And of course a 39-piece home toolkit. This was so adorable. Santa's 12 Days of Christmas Yoga. This was hilarious and adorable all at the same time. And to pair it up, you have your napkin rings for 20 bucks. I thought that was pretty expensive, but honestly, it's super cute. Oh, and the pet section. This TJ Maxx didn't really have a lot of variety for the pets, sadly. This is some organic catnip. It really made me laugh. Pinot Meow and Moscato. And then of course their little plush toys. And I got Bentley that puppuccino. Alright y'all, well I made it back home. I spoke too soon. It actually started pouring. So the only type of lighting I'm working with today is artificial lighting. There is no daylight out there. So I have Bentley right here next to me. I don't know if you can see him in the shot. You can see his batucus right here. But he's checking out what I got because he knows there's something in there for him. So one of the bags actually split open, but thank God it didn't happen while I was walking to my car, because can you imagine? So look at him. Look at him going in there. Can I help you? Huh? Do you think there's something in there for you? Alright, but the first thing that I got was the matte black beer pong set. I thought it was something cool, something different. It's only $7.99. Great little random gift to give someone. So the next thing, I obviously had to get something to eat, something sweet. So these cookies brought me back to my childhood. I absolutely loved these cookies growing up. This huge tin of them were only $10, so I'm going to enjoy these a lot. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, Michelle, but I thought you were out shopping for friends and family. I had all the intention in the world to do that, but you know, sometimes when you're in the store, you're like, nah, I don't know if they're gonna like that, or I don't know if they're gonna really use this. So since I was already there, I said, you know, might as well just get me a couple things that I know I'll like, right? I also got this really cute wrapping paper. It's like white and gold. Says ho ho ho. It was only $2.99. I might as well just give Bentley his toy right now. I got him a Fuzzy Yard puppuccino that I know will be all over the place because he's gonna tear it up and take out all of the stuffing, aren't you? $6 well spent. It was $5.99. This is so adorable, and he is literally begging for it. All right, do you want a puppuccino? Here, he likes to sniff it first. He gets it and then he runs with it. He's like biting the whipped cream as if it's like real. Here, go, get it, good boy. Okay, so the next thing I got was this gift sack, and I have seen these things on Etsy. Oh my gosh, let me go ahead and check the price because I know these things are not cheap on there. Okay, they go for about $10, but they're like half the size of these. I don't know, there are probably like a bunch of options on there too, but this was only $7.99. The design of it is super cute. It says reindeer feed. They had other designs, but this one was the cutest one, I think. So I'm just gonna wrap up some gifts, throw it in the sack, tie it up, and put it under the tree, and it's gonna look super cute. The next item I am so stinking excited about. The burn time on this baby is 90 hours. It is humongous. You get 26.3 ounces of candle wax in this, and it was only $14.99. And it smells so good. And last but not least, I got myself some Ghirardelli peppermint bark. This just takes me back to Disney Springs, where you go in the store and they give you some free samples. This is my favorite around the holidays. That's pretty much it for today's video. If y'all liked it, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my YouTube family. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.